Welcome to learn accounts of 12th standard. This is our first lecture. So let us study basics of accounts. Let us revise accounts for deep understanding. There are terms that we should know. Learn accounts properly. In other words, we should know accounting language. So first of all, you have to know about the different terms of accounts. Means accounting language. That is, number one, you have to know what is assets and what are liabilities. Then capital, debtors, creditors, stock, bad debts, drawing. These are all terms of accounts that one should know before learning accounts. So first of all, let us revise something about your 11th standard. We learned about assets and liabilities. That is, number one, assets. Assets are of different types. They are classified as tangible and intangible assets. Tangible assets are those which are physical, and intangible assets are those which cannot be seen. मतलब तुम उसको देख नहीं सकते, but you can feel them. Intangible asset can be explained that as, you can see, acting of Shah Rukh Khan. So acting is an intangible asset which Shah Rukh Khan had. And tangible assets are all physical assets, that they are car, buildings, machinery. They are tangible assets. Now these are all assets. So we are learning basics, so we will not go deep. Then second is liabilities. These are basic terms. Liabilities are those which are payable by the business in future. Payable by the business in future date. Liabilities can be bank overdraft, bank loan. These are called liabilities. Then creditors. Creditors are those persons to whom money is payable. They are supplier to the business, they supply goods to the business. And after that, debtors. So drawing, bad debts, stock. Capital is the amount invested by the businessman in the business. Debtors are the person from whom money is receivable. In other words, they are customer. Debtors वो होते हैं जिनसे पैसा लेना है. कैपिटल वो है जो बिजनेस में पैसा लगाता है, उसको कैपिटल बोलते हैं अकाउंटिंग टर्म में. देन ट्रांजैक्शन मीन्स डे टू डे buying and selling in terms of money. Money should be given or taken. They are called as transaction. It's monetary term. पैसा देना लेना गुड्स के बदले, उसको ट्रांजैक्शन बोलते हैं. नेक्स्ट है ड्राइंग. ड्राइंग वो होता है जो बिजनेसमैन पैसा बिजनेस में से पर्सनल यूज़ के लिए निकालता है. पैसा भी हो सकता है एंड इट कैन बी गुड्स ऑल्सो. बैड डेट्स वो है जो कस्टमर पैसा मतलब रिटर्न नहीं करता है, मतलब जो हमारे से गुड्स परचेस किया है बट वो पैसा हमें रिटर्न नहीं कर पाता है. देयर मे बी मैनी रीजंस, बट उसको वो पैसे को जो हमको रिकवरी नहीं हो पा रही है उसको हम बैड डेट्स बोलते हैं. आफ्टर दिस स्टॉक है. स्टॉक वो है जो हमारे पास साल के एंड में बचा हुआ रहता है या साल के शुरू में हमारे पास पिछले साल का जो माल बचा हुआ रहता है उसको हम स्टॉक बोलते हैं। नेक्स्ट परचेज़ बहुत इजी है, जो हम खरीदी करते हैं उसको परचेज़ बोलते हैं। और परचेज़ रिटर्न होता है। परचेज़ रॉ मटेरियल्स होते हैं, कच्चा माल जो हम परचेज़ करते हैं। और उसके बाद सेल्स होता है, सेल्स रिटर्न होता है। और भी बहुत सारे टर्म्स है, अकाउंटिंग टर्म्स, दैट वी शुड नो अबाउट दैट बिफोर स्टार्टिंग अकाउंट्स। सो दिस आर द बेसिक्स ऑफ अकाउंट्स. We should learn the basics of accounts properly. If you had not learned in 11th standard, you should go for learning these terms. ठीक है, तो there are assets, liabilities, creditors, capital, debtors, transaction, drawing, bad debt, stock, purchase, sales, and after that lot of there many terms are there. These are the basics. Just it's my first video, so let us study afterwards everything. Thank you all. Join me after this next time. Have a great day.